multiply each number by 2, so that'll be...
Okay, we're going to work on different ways to multiply. Okay, so we've been given this question, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to multiply them. Now, we know one way, which they usually show us in school, is you put the larger number on top, so this one has 3 digits. We put that in the first row here. And then we put the second number, so this was the first number, then we put the second number below in the second row, right? We then write a line underneath, and we work on multiplying each one. So in the very first one, we do 4 times the number in the ones column. So what is 4 times 3?
9.
4 times 3. Let's count by 4s. 4, 8,
12.
That's right. So that would be 4 3 times. So we have 12. So we only put the first digit down.
And then you put a number by 2.
And then we put the next digit on top in the tens column. So we fixed our spelling error too. That was up here. But like we said, we put for 12, we took the number from the ones column and put it down here. And we took the number from the tens column and we put it on top. We're going to add that to our next multiplication question. So the next part of the multiplication would be 4 times the number in the tens column. So 4 times 8. What would 4 times 8 be? So we've got to think either counting by 8s or counting by 4s. Let's try counting by 4s, okay? So 4, and then what comes next?
8.
4, 8, and
12.
then,
36.
Good.
I counted by 8.
You counted by 8?
4.
That's close. 36 is not quite 8.
4, 8, 12, 6.
Let's keep going. 16.
Don't touch it. I burned my finger almost.
20.
No, don't, because I can't
24.
see.
So look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How high do we have to go?
8.
Up to 8. So add 4 more, we get 28. That's 7. And we add 4 more, we get what?
32.
That's right. 32 is our number. So, again, we put the 2 down here. The number from the ones column. But we forgot something. This number here we have to add to 32. So what's 1 plus 32?
33.
That's right. So this is not 32. This is 33. Right? So we put the 3 down here. And we put the 3 into the next column. And then finally we do our last one. 4 times 2. What's that going to be?
8.
8. But we got to add what number?
11.
That's right. We add 3 to 8 and we get 11. So we put 11 and our final answer is 1,132. So this is the way we're showed a lot in school to do this. I'm going to show us another way to set this up. Okay? I'm going to make a little box here. And what I'm going to do is the first number, the large one, 283, I'm going to write that in the square. 283, okay? And then I'm going to make a little box here underneath it. So we put 283 in a row. And then our other number, which was 4, I'm going to put him down here in a column. Now, because there's only one digit, it's easy.
It's not pronounced column. It's pronounced column.
No, it's still column. We put the 4 here. This is what I do. I make a box for each one, and I'm going to go diagonally.
This is so hard what I'm doing.
Okay? I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and this will make it easy to multiply. So, again, we're going to work on, first we do 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3?
4 3 times is 12.
That's right, it's 12. Now, this bottom part will be our ones column, so I put the 2 here, and the top half will be our tens column. I put the 1 there. Okay? I don't have to worry about carrying right now if I do it this way. I just focus on the next number. What was 4 times 8?
4 times 8 was 32.
So where do I put the 2?
Right there.
Yeah, and then I put the 3?
Up there.
Great. And then the last number we had to multiply, 4 times 2, what's that?
8.
8. Now, 8 would go where?
Right there.
And then what would go in the tens column?
0.
0, that's right. 0. Now, in order to get our answer, what we do now is a little different. We add on diagonals like this. And this is how we're going to get our answer. So, our first number is 2. Is there any numbers to add with it in a diagonal?
No.
No. So, 2 plus nothing is?
2.
2. Excellent. The next numbers we add are 2 and
1.
which is what?
3.
That's right. So there's our next number, 3. And then the last numbers we add are
8 and 3.
And when we add them, what do we get?
We get 11.
11. Now I want you to see the similarity here. 1,132 was the exact same thing we got up here. But in this one, we set it up like in a box. So there's many ways to multiply. And we can do a two-digit number and three-digit numbers with these boxes after. Okay, but this is just another way we can work on our multiplying.